Welcome to this tutorial. How to direct message on Instagram. Sending a direct message to an Instagram user lets you express your thoughts or opinions in private. You can easily compose a new message or reply to an existing message using Instagram. In this video, you will learn how to send a direct message to another Instagram user. Follow these steps as shown in the video. Open the Instagram app. At the top right, you'll see a paper plane icon. Tap on it. This will open your Instagram inbox. Tap the New Message icon. Select your recipients. You can choose one or more contacts from the list of suggestions. Now tap on the chat link at the top right. Type your message into the message field, and then tap on the Send. This sends your message directly to your recipients. You can also send your voice message, pictures, or stickers or GIF by clicking on icons on the right side of the message box. Let's tap on this image icon. Select a picture from your gallery, and then click on the Send button. See? We've successfully sent a direct message and an image on Instagram. Hope this was helpful. Have a good day. Please subscribe to our channel.